Damn, this is all they've got? Well, looks like I'm gonna go for the... Hang on just a damn second, boy.
Excuse me, bro. How long are you gonna be? I'm kind of in a hurry, bro.
I'll take as long as I want to take. You got a problem with that, boy?
Relax, Brock. Take your time, bro.
Don't tell me to relax, boy. I take turds bigger than you, kid. Get out of my face.
Damn, Brock. Take as long as you need. I'll just wait my turn, bro.
You've done it now, kid. Time to pay the price. You like that, bro? How about this, brew? Time to go for a little ride. Stay out of my way in future, kid.